Environment is inevitable for all living things. A small mistake can cause the destruction of entire life because the existence of all living things depend upon the proper balance and stability of our environment. A very good morning to all. Today we are going to discuss about the topic environmental degradation. In this topic, we have to discuss about different causes of environmental degradation, various consequences of environmental degradation, and the measures which are taken to solve environmental degradation. Do you know how human beings survive in the given environment? The human beings survive in the given environment by making modification in their food, shelter, clothing, and lifestyle. For example, the people who live in hot and wet coastal areas like Kerala and Odisha, traditionally they eat fish and rice. They wear cotton clothes to protect their body from hot condition or to make their body cool. And they live in houses having sloping roof so that the rainwater run off easily. But the people in icy reaches of Ladakh wear woolen clothes and traditionally they eat food based on barley and wheat. At the same time, the people who live in places like Punjab and Uttar Pradesh, which have very cold and hot summers, dress and food according to the season. Food during winter includes sesame, groundnut, jaggery, and mustard oil. During summer season, high water content food items like buttermilk, watermelon, and cucumber. In this, we can say that the people are able to protect themselves from extreme hot and cold condition and make a balance with environment biologically. Human beings also modify their environment to suit their social, biological, economical, and cultural needs. The early human beings slept on trees and caves and gathered their food. With the passage of time, the humans started changing natural environment to their advantage with the help of varied skills and technologies. They started building houses and factories. They discovered minerals and invented new machines. The growing population and increasing demand of food resulted in rapid industrialization. To satisfy their wants, the natural environment is being exploited continuously by humans. This leading to the process called environmental degradation. Actually, what is environmental degradation? Environmental degradation is a process by which the environment is increasingly polluted, overexploited, and destroyed. Deforestation, poaching, overpopulation, and pollution are the various causes of environmental degradation. Have you ever thought that what would be the consequences if we destroy our environment? If we destroy our environment continuously, many problems may occur like drought, global warming, imbalance of ecosystem, large scale climatic change and spread of diseases. How we can protect our environment? We can protect our environment by following these methods. First one, afforestation. We have to control deforestation and we have to plant more trees and plants. Then we have to control overmining. Overmining causes various problems like mud flow, landslide, earthquake, etc. So we have to control overmining. Next one, control the use of plastic. Actually, plastic is a poisonous substance. we should control the use of plastic. If we are not controlling the use of plastic, it will cause various problems like depletion of ozone hole, emission of CFC, etc. Next one, minimize the use of natural resources like coal and petroleum. Actually, coal and petroleum are the precious natural resources. If we are not using uh, each these resources, or we are not minimizing the use of these resources, what will happen? Our future generation will be facing resource scarcity. Next one, control pollution. Pollution causes various problems like spread of diseases, imbalance in ecosystem, climatic change, etc. So we have to control pollution. There are many people in the world who are fighting to save the environment. They are called environmentalists. Some famous environmentalists are Sundarlal Behguna and Mehta Padkar. Sundarlal Behguna is a famous person who launched a movement called Chipko movement to protect trees. Mehta Padkar is another environmentalist. She launched Narmada Bachao Andolon in order to protect Narmada river. We should do all we can to help them to save environment. Okay guys, we can go to the end of this lesson. What we have discussed in this lesson, we have discussed about environment, different components of environment. We have discussed about ecosystem. We have discussed about environmental degradation, major reason for environmental degradation, major consequences and measures to control environmental degradation. We have discussed about various environmentalists. So read this lesson very carefully and try to find out the following questions. Try to find out the answer of the following questions. First one, define environmental degradation. Second one, what are the causes of environmental degradation? Third one, how we can protect our environment. Okay guys, this all about this lesson. Let us discuss the next chapter in the next video. Okay guys, take care, stay safe and stay healthy. Bye bye, have a good day.